I gotta start dropping these, bro.
You got a lot.
Fuck mixtape, fuck deluxe, YouTube. Oh yeah, to YouTube. Drop that shit, man. I be going.
It's us. Grabbing the keepers, keeping the keys on the. It's us. Keys to the rock, my boys. Go, okay. Slap. Yeah, creep. Give me the key to the coupe when I pull out. Give me the key to the grant when I pull out. Give me the key to the coupe, I'ma pull out. Creep. Give me the key to the coupe, I'ma screw. Go. Tell that shit. Yeah. Okay. Concrete boys. Give me the keys to the coupe, I'ma pull out. Gotta work condoms, cause I do not pull out. Walking the spot 50 deep with the tool out. They know that it's us. Show out at the cookout. We getting money, don't care about what they on. Finger fuck hundreds at home all alone in the suit with a still like Capone. Bro from the Jackson, like Shimon. I took the chrome to chrome. I took this bitch a bone. I made her leave a phone, yes. Yeah. Who said we ain't made records? Go. Rich ass still eating checkers. Still pull up double decker. Boys, still control the whole mecca. Still that nigga, still. I still fuck her, I will. Might put this bitch in my will. You gon' do what? We trippin', nigga. I'm us. Chill. Fucking this bitch in the hills, I ain't even licking, she wet as an ill. Nigga. I'm just talking. Oh my God. Get on these beats and I'm not even rapping, I'm literally flossing and walking. Walk. Get on these beats and I'm literally walking. On God, I really be flossing. Walk. Beats in the sheets, hit that bitch from the bed, put the pussy inside of a coffin.